Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel. Please, as usual, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, we are to continue solving question on the exponential functions, and we have a very nice question here to solve. Okay, now let's continue. We have here 3 to the power 2x plus 1 plus 3 to the power x plus 2 equals to 12. So here basically we are to solve for the value of x, okay, which is also found within the exponents here. Okay, now there we go, we have solution. Now let's just rewrite the whole question. 3 to the power 2x plus 1 plus 3 to the power x plus 2 equals to 12. Okay, so we have to apply the something here. 3 to the power x, like if you have 3 to the power x plus 2, this is written as 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 2. Okay, so this is what we are going to apply here. Now therefore we have 3 to the power 2x times 3 to the power 1. Okay, good, because now basically if you want to turn this to this, is going to be, since the base are the same, we only take one base and add the powers. That's what happened there, so we can break it this way also. Now we have plus, the same thing is going to be applicable here. 3 to the power x plus 2 is the same as 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 2 equal to 12. Okay, now from this point now we can try to make sure we have x 3 to the power x standing alone in each of these two. Let's do that. We have here 3 to the power 2x. We can bring this 3 to the power x inside and raise it to the power 2. That is going to be 3 to the power x or raised to the power 2 here. Okay, times 3 here, 3 to the power 1 is same as 3 plus 3 to the power x times 3 to the power 2 is 9. Okay, it's going to give us 9, and this is equals to 12. Now from this point what we are going to do now is to let x be equals to 3 to the power x. We have to let x to be equal to 3 to the power x in order for us to have a very finely a quadratic equation and solve for that particular letter. Then we turn it back and know the value of x. Okay, now let's let 3 to the power x be equal to any letter. I will use q. Okay, now from here anywhere I see 3 to the power x, now I will replace it with what? Q. Now here I will replace it with q, and also at this point here. Okay, now let's do that. Now this is coming as now q to the power 2 times 3 plus q, okay, times 9 equals to 12. Automatically now we are going to have 3q square plus 9q. Q times 9 is 9q equal to 12. Now we are having a quadratic equation here. Now this quadratic equation we can solve it by factorization. That is, we are going to bring the 12 over here and set the equation to 0. That is, we are going to have now 3q to the power 2 plus 9q minus 12 equal to 0. Now we have set the equation to 0. Now from this point now we have to use the factorization method. Now in order to use the factorization method, this is what we need to do. You have to take this 3, multiply it with this 12, and that is going to give us 3 times minus 12. Now 3 times minus 12, this is going to give us minus 36. Okay, now this minus 36 here, we need to find two numbers. Okay, the two numbers that we are going to find when we multiply them, we are going to, because we want to replace this middle term, we want to replace it. Okay, in order to replace this, we need to find two numbers. Okay, when we multiply those two numbers, we are going to have negative 36, and when we add the two numbers, it's going to give us plus 9. Okay, so the two numbers are plus 12 minus 3. Now plus 12 minus 3, plus 12 times minus 3 is minus 36, and plus 12 minus 3 is going to give you positive 9. Okay, now from here we add the q here, then we bring our minus 12 here, and we bring our 3q here. Are you there? 3q square. Now everything is equals to 0. Let me rewrite it properly. Equal to 0. Now from here we can group them and factorize. Okay, we check what is available here. We have 3q here and 12q. What the common factor there is 3q. We factor out 3q. Yeah, we are going to have q remaining there plus 4. Okay, minus here, what is common factor there is 3. It is going to be, we factor out 3 into q plus, that is going to be 4. Okay, everything is equals to 0. Now from this point, we need to now just eliminate one of the brackets and take the other two. That is going to be now 3q minus 3, 3q minus 3, okay, into q plus 4. Everything is equals to 0. Okay, now let's set them to 0. This is equal to 0 and this is also equal to 0. You have 3q minus 3 equals to 0, or q plus 4 equal to 0. Now let's try to collect the like terms here. This is going to be now 3q equals to 3, divide both sides by 3, divide here by 3. Okay, then we have this cancel that. Our q is going to be equal to 1. Okay, and here we have q is equal to minus 4, and we are going to look at this because we need this one. This is the one that we need in order to qualify this. Okay, so we are going to replace it here because this minus 4 is going to be invalid. Now what we will have is, now q is already now 1. Now we come and replace q here, where we let 3 to the power x to be equals to q. Now we have 3 to the power x is equals to q. Now q, we know q is 1. Okay, therefore now we are going to say 3 to the power x is equals to q. That is now 1, and we know that 1, we can change it to 3 to the power something, because 3 to the power any number to the power 0 is going to give you 1. So we are going to have here 3x is equal to now 3 to the power 0. 3 to the power 0 is same as 1. Therefore our x is equals to 0. Since the bases are the same, we equate the powers. Therefore our x is equals to 0 as our answer. Okay, please once again don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more